And there is the completed installation of all 4 chairs. This is how it's going to come to you. I have taken all the contents out of the box. This is what you get. Let me show you underneath the chair. These are wood legs, and there are 4 bolts to install for you to install the legs on, and that's it. That's all you have to do is just install those 4 bolts and your chair is done. And there is the completed installation of all 4 chairs. Now the installation was easy. There's only 4 bolts per chair. The first one will probably take you a couple minutes longer, but after that, probably I would say 5 minutes to install on each chair. It just gets easy and you just roll on with each chair. They say the weight capacity on these chairs is 275 pounds. I'm probably around 205 pounds. No issues whatsoever. They're very sturdy. Now, one of the reasons I bought these chairs is that we recently bought the Miko indoor folding table. We needed a little card type table, and these chairs actually go perfect with this table. These are nice looking and affordable chairs. Probably will look good anywhere you want to use them in your home. So if you're looking at these chairs, I hope you found this video helpful.